Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 30, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Third grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 9. Third row, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column H, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, 4 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8 and 9. 10th row, we have 5, 6 and 9. 3 numbers can't come in the cell. It will come in another 3 cells. There are only 1 number remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column I, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another cells. 6th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, column G and 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row and 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. 7th row and 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. then only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 7th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 9th row we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Seventh grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. Column B and 9th row we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column G, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8, 9. 4th row and 2nd row and 9th row we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. 2nd row we got 7 and 8, so 7 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 9th row we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 9th row only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column F we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column E we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 4th row we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 5. 2nd row and 3rd row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 2nd row we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column B, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. Column D, we have 3 and 5, so 3 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, then only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column B, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Fifth row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Sixth row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Sixth row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.